quiet evening glow, when stars begin to show, I find my heart aglow. Oh, how it loves you so. In the soft and gentle breeze, your laughter puts me at ease. A love that's meant to please brings me to my knees. Loving you is all I ever wanted. With every beat, my heart is enchanted. Loving you in ways I never knew. Every day feels like a dream come true. In the morning light so bright, I wake up with you in my sight. Your kisses feel so right, they're my guiding light. Through the ups and all the downs, you turn my world around. In your arms I'm safe and sound, where pure joy is found. Oh, loving you is all I ever wanted. With every beat, my heart is enchanted. Loving you